Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys all the deets on my pre-Valentine's Day wig sale. It's gonna be huge. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay love, so your girl has been putting in work. As you guys know, in the beginning of the year I took like a 2-week vacation, but man, when I came back I hit the ground running. I was sent literally like 21 wigs in like the span of 3 days, and so I'm super grateful. You guys don't even understand, like there was a point in time, like more so when I was in college, where I would spend my coins trying to get some hair just so I could look fly, look good too, you know. So I would always make sure that I would buy the hair when it was on sale. Like man, I was a college student, a single mom, like hey, I had to do what I had to do. So now to have such an abundance of hair, and like literally like y'all, I can't do much with all the hair that I have. Like even the hair that I'm keeping, like y'all, it's still a lot of hair, but I'm super grateful, and so I definitely don't want to hold my blessings. I definitely want to share some of those blessings with y'all, and I actually have been. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an informational, because I will be selling I think the most human hair wigs in any of my wig sales, and so most of them are in mint condition. There are a few that are like, hey, you might have to do some work to them, and I want you guys to see them for yourself before you guys decide to purchase it, so that you guys are not surprised and that you guys are happy with your purchase. So I won't include all the wigs that will be going for the wig sale because it's just way too many. I haven't counted, but I know it's around maybe 5 or 6 human hair units, and then I can't even tell you guys how many synthetic units. Synthetic units is probably about 10 to 15. I'm not sure yet. Some of them will be sold individually, but then there will be a few that will be sold as boxes, and so that means you will either get maybe 2 wigs in one box, or I think one might have 3 wigs in a box. So if I have that information before the video comes out, I'll make sure to put that information down in the description box, just so you guys have a heads up of what to expect. But more so, this is for the human hair units that I want you guys to see. Oh yeah, and if you guys see this unit on my head, so your girl went through and was cleaning out wigs, washing wigs. All of these wigs have been freshly washed, the human hair wigs. So I decided to put this unit on right here, and she is still a beauty. This is my Barber hair. I think it was their deep wave hair. I'll also leave the link down in the description box for my initial review of this hair, as well as an updated review of this hair that I did last year. But yeah, your girl decided to just go ahead and put this thing on right here. So let's get into the other human hair units. So for the next couple of units, I'll be showing you guys clips of the unit as I am speaking, so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, just in case you guys are like, whoa, where did she go? But for the rest of the units, I probably will just show you guys clips of when I rocked the units, when I reviewed them, because they are still in that same condition, and so nothing has changed. But these 3 units that I'm about to show you will have clips while I'm talking. So this will actually be my only box that includes 2 human hair units. So if you guys can see that, you see this gorgeous units right here. I don't have all the deets on each of the units. I think one of them I might have more information. The other one I'm not sure who the unit was by. So the first unit that you should see is from MissLula.com. It is actually a 360 pre-plucked lace front wig with baby hairs, and the texture is loose wave. Now although I love this unit, the only issue that I had was the way that the hairline was constructed. It was constructed very like oddly, and so I had to cut the lace in that shape, and therefore when you see the lace, you'll see that it's not cut in a straight line, or it's kind of looks like it's jagged, but that was literally how they had the baby hairs, and maybe I just didn't know how to cut them at the time. However, if you guys see the video, I'll make sure to link all that down in the description box. You'll see that I was able to lay this unit with no problem. It looked very natural. This unit is an average size cap, so it worked out for my head shape as well as my hairline. You guys should get a good look at how it looks on my head without me putting any type of adhesive down on it. So if you know how to finesse a unit and you think that you can make this shape of the lace work for you, then by all means I would definitely say try it. I absolutely love the texture of the hair. It's very beautiful, and so yeah. The other unit that I'm showing you guys, I'm actually not sure who the unit is by. I don't even feel like doing the research, y'all. I've been up late, so I'm not really sure who this is by, but it is a 360 wig. I think I called them a full lace wig, but they are 360s. And as you can see, the lace is cut the same way, where it's probably not as bad as the MissLula.com wig, but as you can see, it's not like a straight line. It is some crooked parts to the way that it was cut. So because the lace is cut very oddly for both of the units, I decided to go ahead and group these together, and therefore you can get a 2-for-1, which will be $100 for 2 human hair units. And so I feel like you can't beat that. The units still look very natural. Like if you guys look at the videos, I was able to pull it off and make it look very natural, and I think that you guys can do the same thing. So if you guys want 2 wigs for $100, then this is the box for you. So the next wig that's up for sale, I was actually sent the bundles and the closure, and then I made the unit using a dome cap and then a needle and thread. What you should be able to see is that this is a loose deep wave unit. It came with a 4x4 closure that was 18 inches, and then it has 3 bundles, which is 20 and then 2 22 inches. I decided to go ahead and price this at $80 because the closure needs work. Now I actually finessed this closure. This I actually probably did on my own, and it was a mistake of my own, where I probably over plucked the closure. So what you guys should be seeing is that the hairline looks like it's further back. However, it does have some baby hairs, and so I think the way that I made it work, that I just put the baby hairs over the lace. But also you don't have to wear it in a middle part. You can put it on a side part, and it can look natural as well. And so that's what I try to show you guys in the video, that if you decide to wear it in the middle part, if you know how to finesse it, then you can definitely make it work with the hair that is there. But if you want to rock it in a side part, right or left side part, then you can do that as well, and I think it should still look natural. So the hair is absolutely gorgeous. There is nothing wrong with the hair at all. It's very voluminous. I haven't experienced any like shedding or anything like that. The closure does need work, so because of that I decided to price that at $80. And so again, if you know how to finesse a unit and you think you can make this work for $80, then this is definitely the unit for you. Okay, so for these next few units, they should go by very quickly because there's nothing that I have to show you, any type of imperfections or anything about the units. They are in great condition, mint condition, and therefore the price will be a little bit higher on these units, but they are still absolutely gorgeous. And so yeah, let's just jump right into it. So the next unit I'll be showing you is from a company called Fashion Idol Hairs. That is another company that sent me the bundles, and then I made the unit myself using a dome cap and needle and thread. And so what you can expect is a 16-inch free part closure, and then an 18, 20, and then 22-inch body wave. And so that's what this unit is. It's a body wave unit. It does have a closure. Closure is just fine. And so this unit will be going for $120, and then I will show you guys what the unit looks like on my head so that you guys can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Unit right here, she is a beauty. I didn't think I was gonna give her up, but I decided to go ahead. She will be better used with somebody else. This is a 10-inch closure, a 10, 12, and 14-inch. So if you guys are not a fan of the longer units, then this unit is perfect for you guys. She's absolutely a beauty. She also has, like I said, a closure, or did I say a closure? Yeah, 10-inch closure. And so yeah, this is what she looks like. So last but definitely not least, I think I actually saved the best for last, is this unit right here, which comes from Wigs. It is an 18-inch, 150% density, 360. Yeah, I think it's a 360 wig, so you guys can see that. It has an average cap size, and the only thing that happened with this unit was that I had over bleached the hair in the front, but I decided to go ahead and watercolor it jet black to fix that problem. And so the hair has just been watercolor jet black, as well as I told you guys, everything has just been washed. And so this unit is perfect. It's in perfect condition. If you guys can see, the lace is cut with no issues, no problems. It's pretty straight. And so this unit is going for $125. This is actually one of my favorites out of the bunch. And so yeah, hopefully you guys are excited about the wig sale, about the human hair wigs as well as the synthetic wigs. If this video is not too long, I'll try to incorporate some pictures or some videos of the synthetic wigs that are available for sale. But if not, make sure you guys stay tuned and get your coins ready for Tuesday, February 12th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Set your alarm clocks, do whatever you need to do to make sure you guys do not miss out on my wig sale. As you guys know, I always have a video coming out Tuesday at 10 a.m. so that'll kind of serve as your reminder. So make sure you guys hit that notification button so that can also serve as your reminder that the wig sale is about to begin or has begun. But yeah, everything should kind of go up at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So look, just set your alarm, make sure you guys are ready. So yeah, I'm super excited about it, and because Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I'm definitely going to be sending these units out pretty quickly so that you guys can get it in time for Valentine's Day weekend. Wait, so before I forget, I have to mention this synthetic unit. It'll be an honorable mention because this unit is Talia. If y'all have been following me for a while, if you have found me because of Talia, then you guys know that Talia is actually my most watched video, and so I'm actually putting that thing up for sale. I know I can't believe that I'm putting her up for sale, but I honestly just don't have the time to rock her, and I feel like somebody would definitely put her to great use, and so I'm finally giving her up. There she is right here, and actually she no longer looks like the stock card. I did an update video where I actually cut her a little bit shorter, so she has already been cut and styled, and so if you guys are interested in her, she is definitely going for $20, and so like you can't beat that. Like, so yeah, I definitely didn't want to forget to mention this thing right here. So for no other reason that you guys participate in the wig sale but to get to Talia, and Talia is about to hit 100,000 views and she's only going for $20, like how could you not participate? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know which one you guys are excited about, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
But what if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody